Welcome to this week's Elevate podcast, where we give you all of the things that you need to elevate your business behind the chair. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski, and in today's episode, we are going to be going over some limiting beliefs you might be struggling with as a stylist, because mindset is everything when it comes to building your business behind the chair. Your technical skill, the salon you work at, the color line you use are not going to dictate your success. What's going to dictate your success is your mindset and being able to push through all of the things that hold you back mentally. Welcome to Thought Leader Thursday. This is where we come together to break outdated business practices and to start thinking differently about how we salon. Let's transform salon business one mindset shift at a time. Join me every single Thursday to chat about small shifts you can make to transform your business by changing your mindset and by thinking differently. So in today's episode, we are going to talk about one of my favorite limiting beliefs, and this is something that I hear often, all of the time. And this limiting belief that holds so many stylists back is they are not able to charge what they need to, or they won't be able to find clients in their area for a high-priced extension service. And I am here to tell you, no matter what area you're in, you as an extension artist, if you're marketing yourself properly, if you're positioning yourself on social media, and if you are truly mastering your technical skill and your client experience, will be able to attract your ideal dream extension client. So there's always somebody out there looking for what you have to offer, and there's always somebody out there who doesn't know that they need extensions until you tell them all of the information that opens up this beautiful opportunity for them to sit in your chair and receive this amazing service. So many stylists are afraid that they can't charge this price point, or that people in their area will not pay for extensions. And I'm here to tell you that that is a lie that you're telling yourself. So there are so many ways that you can actually position yourself as an expert in your extension business that will attract clients to sit in your chair. And this all goes with building trust on social media, knowing how to market your business, and knowing how to really elevate the client experience. And of course, mastering what you're doing technically. So these are all things that I cover in my class. I call this the 4 main categories you need to actually have an extension business that is successful. So when it comes to having extensions, there are so many different things that you can do in order to start to get your clients actually invested in extension services. So one of the things that we like to do, and it's probably our most popular extension service inside of the salon, is really talk to our clients about the price options and the different various price points of extensions. A lot of clients assume that extensions are only for adding an enormous amount of length, and that is not the case. So we have various price points inside of our salon, and our number one service is our 1-row thickening service. And this service is incredible because it allows our clients to actually dabble their feet in extensions. It definitely makes a huge impact on the way they look and feel. And it really is an affordable maintenance and an affordable price point when it comes to investing in the hair for our actual clients. And I love this because it really does transform the way that clients feel when they're sitting in our chair. And it really does open up the opportunity to have them try longer lengths in the future. And the reason why we like to start off with the 1-row service, and we call this either a mini thickening service, which is just 1 row and 4 pieces. And then we have our regular thickening service, which is 5 to 6 pieces, depending on the client's texture and depending on their density. But we really do love this because this is the gateway to extensions. And we like to offer various price points with different lengths and different looks. So clients don't really understand 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches, 12 inches, but they do understand different looks. So we like to categorize extensions in my class on looks that clients can purchase. And I want to tell you too, when you give clients options, it really does open up the opportunity. I also want to mention that when your client really wants something, they'll find a way to get it. When it comes down to it, you have to have a client really want extensions in order to make the investment. But when they really want it, they find a way to make it fit in their budget. I once had a client who was a stay-at-home mom and she wanted extensions. And she was like, I love the way these make me feel. I love like how much time they take off my morning. I feel amazing when I'm at home and I have my extensions because I feel like I look good even when I don't style my hair. So what she did was she actually started bartending once a week so she could afford her extension maintenance and her extension hair when she wanted to actually get it. Now, not everyone is going to do this, but I'm here to tell you that story because when clients really want something, they're going to figure out a way to make it happen. When clients really value something, they are going to make it fit in their budget. So if you have clients who have their heart set on extensions, they will undoubtedly find a way to make that extension service happen, and they will find a way to continually maintain it. So all you have to do is show them your expertise. And if you haven't listened to last week's episode, I want you to go back and watch it because doing live videos is one way to really lock in that trust and to start building that trust and start showing off your extension expertise to start building your clientele. You also can showcase your work, and client testimonials are so powerful to start really building your business. So building a high-end clientele does take time and energy, and it really is an investment, but you've made such an investment in your education and in this extension certification. So why not follow through with making the investment in and taking the time in your social media and in your business to really create results? So I really want you to know that when you do make the time for all of the things and you do all 4 of these categories, which is client experience, social media, marketing, and mastering your method, you can create a solid extension business for yourself. I can tell you, the stylists in my salon who really do nail down and really do focus have a full extension clientele within 6 months, and they love it. So if you found that this episode was beneficial to you and you are a person who thinks that no one will pay for extension services or your area isn't in a high-end area, no one in your town will buy extensions, I'm here to tell you that that is a lie. And it really is all about how you position and market yourself inside of your business. So if you loved this episode, please screenshot this and tag us on Instagram at Grace Handtied Method. And I would love for you to contact us at any time if you ever have questions about growing your extension business. You can also find our extension education at gracehandtiedmethod.com, where we have tons of education, and it's not just a method, it's all about the business and mindset that goes along with it. All right, thanks for listening. Talk to you next week.